Hi guys, welcome to BAi TV. I'm your embroidery assistant, Alan. Have you ever encountered these problems? The upper thread loses and tightens unpredictably. The bobbin thread shows on the front, and the stitching is unstable. These are all caused by inconstant tension. It is the most common issue in embroidery, and they can even ruin a perfectly designed piece. At the same time, it's also one of the main concerns of many customers. That is exactly why we upgrade the tension system on the BAi Embroidery machine. We redesigned the tension spring using high-quality spring steel from Japan, specifically customized for embroidery. This new spring provides more needles and stable upper thread tension, giving you a better control, reducing thread breaks and allowing for tighter, higher quality stitches. Even during the long runs, it can still maintain consistency. Unlike regular springs that tend to change over time, the upgraded spring will maintain precise tension constantly. And since the bobbin thread tension depends on the upper thread tension, this also ensures that your bobbin thread remains stable and perfectly hidden. Now, let's move on and test whether the tension has been upgraded properly with the machine. It's worth mentioning that both the mirror and the vision have received the same upgrade on tension. After testing the tension, we have adjusted the machine to its most optimal state. Next, we will embroider on t-shirt, hat, and the 3D hat that everyone is particularly interested in. This may take a little longer, so let's get started quickly. You can see that the embroidery on this t-shirt is very flat, tight, and the stitching is very stable. You can check both upper and the bobbin thread perfectly hidden with no unstable stitches or exposed threads. Next, we have the hat embroidery. Whether it's on the front or the back of the hat, the result is still smooth and refined, with no issues of uneven tension in the upper thread. The details are handled very well, clearly demonstrating the benefits of our upgraded tension system. Finally, we have the 3D hat embroidery. Look at this effect. Every three-dimensional details is crystal clear, and the upper thread is tight and even, and the overall embroidery pattern looks both delicate and high quality. With its lines or the 3D effects of the design, everything is perfectly presented. From these samples, we can clearly see that the new tension system has taken every piece to a higher standard with significant improvements in both details and quality. After seeing these embroidery results, are you as impressed as we are with our newly upgraded tension system? If you enjoy today's video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. We will continue to bring you more embroidering tips and product highlights. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. See you in next video.